right here. Lights are dangerous.
Yeah, open it up.
Just pull the top up. There you go.
Pull. Pull.
There you go.
What's in there? Oh my God. What is that?
What is in there, buddy?
Keep looking. Wow! It's the penguin! For your bat house.
Oh my goodness.
A penguin.
Look, Tucker. Look at, there's a Joker with a little card. And
Whoa!
he goes like this. Look, watch. You push the little button and his hammer goes down.
You get
You
them
can
out.
take them out. You go like this. And it opens up.
Was that a Joker?
This is him. It's your Joker. And look at in here, you've got doors open for Mr. Freeze to go in. Pretty cool, huh? Why don't we keep the box open to put them in? Wait,
It's the Batman house.
Right there.
it's right behind you, buddy.
Hold on. Hold
Here, Tucker, let's open some more presents. Maybe there's more. Get the other green one.
on. Got another one right here.
Oh, you want to put the penguin in there, Tucker?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to put the penguin in the box so we don't lose them.
Okay. And then, what about the Joker?
Yeah, you can put them in there.
What
There's
about
another one.
Batman?
There's another one.
Pretty cool, huh?
Whoa, look at this.
Another Batman.
Another Batman. He's very laid back.
He's very black. Yeah, he doesn't have blue on him like the other one. That's okay. Just put that in the box.
Green Batman.
Look at him. He's on a motorcycle, buddy.
Yeah.
And he's yellow and blue.
A dog got a cage.
Look, it does.
That's Super Dog.
Super dog. Robin and a motorcycle too.
Wow, you've got Batman and Robin with a motorcycle.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Is that cold with us?
Whoa! Look at this. A helicopter. Look at this, Daddy.
Yeah, helicopter.
Look at it, Tucker. You hold it right here. Look at
What's
you
the
hold
pink
it,
one?
Tucker. You hold it like a
What's
gun.
the pink one?
And you
He's in here.
look,
Hold on, let's finish our toy. Let's finish our
Look.
presents though.
look, Tucker. There's something. There's someone in here.
Uh-oh, there's someone in there.
There's someone in there.
Let me see.
Do you want to give him the video too? Give him the video.
Santa bring this for me. Blue Batman.
Oh my goodness! You got another Batman.
What else is in here?
It looks like some kind of hovercraft, Tucker. Look at it.
Who's that right there?
Look at it, buddy.
How many Batmans are there?
Yes. Another Batman. All different outfits. It's like he changed clothes.
Uh-oh.
And who else is in there?
Who's that?
Superman.
It's random.
Now
Superman and
we
Superdog.
open more presents.
Okay.
Let's open this one.
Well, Daddy's got one ready. Well, you can open that one. That's fine. Here, can you?
One for you, Mommy.
Oh, thank you, baby. Can you pick up your name? Let me get this. There we go.
Daddy.
Thanks.
Uh-oh.
Tear it big.
Huh?
Big one.
Big one?
Yeah, real big. What is it? What is it?
It's a Shrek movie.
Another Shrek movie?
That's Shrek the Third.
Yeah.
Let me get that one. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Did you already do it?
Wait, put it in my closet.
In your closet?
Put it-
Here, baby.
Here, give it to mommy. And we'll put all your toys away in a minute.
Go, 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 go.
Thank you, baby.
Here, we got another one.
Huh? Huh? Good.
Here you go.
It's a backpack.
Oh, good. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
It's for you. Oh, you love it? That's for you to take to school.
Oh,
Oh my goodness, you're silly.
he bumped his nose. He's cage. Look at him.
You
Let's
like?
open the more
Wanna
presents.
open more? We'll grab another one.
About this.
Yeah?
This is mine.
This is from Paul.
Huh?
And Paul got you this one. Do you want to wait till he gets here or just let him go? Just let him go.
Uh-oh.
Whoa, that was a good rip.
What is it?
Oh, man!
What is it?
Well, what is this?
Thomas the Train.
Thomas the Train.
For you, Mommy.
Thank you, baby. I get all the bows. Here, rip open on the sides.
Uh-oh. 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 Ooh.
What is it?
I need to open it. I need to see it.
Here, scoot back over there. Mommy will give you stuff. There you go. That's good, Tucker. That's okay.
Uh-oh. Someone. Let's open it.
Well, look at it. What is it?
Hey, look at it, buddy. There you go. Wow. That is pretty cool, huh? You love it?
Yeah. Let's open
Well, we
it.
can open our
We'll
other
open them,
presents.
baby. Go sit back over there. Mommy give you more toys. Or more.
Presents.
Here, sit down over there so Mommy can put you on camera. There you go.
Is this the
Want it?